Hi there, I just wanted to show people what you got in the PowerVision PowerEgg X Wizard waterproof accessories pack. So this comes as standard with the PowerEgg X Wizard, which is the premium version over the Explorer. So here's the box here. Obviously you've got the additional propellers, you've got the waterproof drone case, you have an additional battery, a case, and these are the floats so that it can actually float on water as well. So let's have a look inside here if we can. So let's just get this unboxed. Again, so it's sealed. So here we've got the actual legs for putting on the drone. These literally attach and the drone can float. I'll try and take a video of the drone floating on the water. And here again you can see we've got the floats. This is the additional battery, so that gives you extra flight time, which is excellent. And here we've got the box of additional propellers. Just in case you break any propellers, you can use these to replace them, which is excellent. And then in this box here, let's just try and get this open. In this box here, we've got the actual case for attaching to the drone. And what this does is it just waterproofs everything, so you can still, as you can see, you've still got complete visibility for the sensors and the video as well. It's got the protective plastic on at the moment, but it means you can fly it in rain and take off from water, and all sorts of cool things that you couldn't do with any other drone any drone that's really out there at the moment. So this is the Wizard unpacking. This is the actual accessory box that comes with the Wizard. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.